Real Auto Glass presents Porsche Taycan sunroof replacement. The original sunroof has been shattered. A Porsche Panoramic glass is usually expensive. It can start at $6,000 and goes up to $11,000. Our experts begin by carefully removing the broken glass. Precision is key in every step of the process. Next, we clean and prepare the surfaces for the new sunroof. Applying primer ensures a secure bond for the adhesive. Final adjustments are made to ensure a perfect fit. The new sunroof is successfully installed. Follow Real Auto Glass on Instagram to learn more about this. Now, this machine will be able to accelerate safely again.